Good morning, children. Welcome to all of you in the physics class. Today I will explain the remaining part of the chapter sound, and this is the third video of chapter sound. Thank you for watching. Now, what is loud and soft sound? It can be better understood by the graphical representation. Soft sound shows here the low amplitude, however, the loud sound shows the large amplitude. This is the basic difference between them. Now, moving forward, what is speed of sound? Speed of sound is approximately 332 meter per second in air. But some factors that creates some differences upon the speed of sound. So we can say that the speed of sound depends on elasticity and density of the medium. So we can write here V is equal to under root E upon D, that is shown in this formula, where E is the elasticity and D is the density of the medium. Where in longitudinal waves for gases it is written like gamma P upon D, where gamma is the ratio of specific heat and constant pressure to the specific heat at constant volume, that is given this, that is Cp upon Cv is equal to gamma, where P is the pressure of the medium and D is the density of the medium. The speed of sound is different in different media. The speed of sound is more in solids, less in liquids, and least in the gases. Okay. Now moving forward, what is the reflection of sound? Like light waves, sound waves can also be reflected, or you can say bounce back, as shown in the picture. Here, one pipe, some alarm is create the sound and goes through the sound wave through a pipe. After bouncing back or hitting it, comes back to the next pipe and comes to the ear of the human being. This is the reflection of sound. Now, what is the application of reflection of sounds which are given here? First is megaphone. It is very popular in the earlier time because then crowd are very much small than that of the today, so it is very useful for that time. It can be you can say it can be used for a low crowd or a small group to speak or speech purpose. Okay. Similarly, bulb horn, this is very useful nowadays also in Mumbai, Bangalore and so many metropolitan city in India. This creates a low noise pollution in that of the sharp horn. In the same way, another use is stethoscope. This also uses the reflection of sound method for checking the heartbeat, checking the throat or breathing sound. Doctor can use it. In the same manner, some more about the sounds is understood by this picture. This is the basic diagram of a stethoscope, where curved soundboard acts as sound reflector, reflected sound waves. Person sitting in the big hall. Also, suppose you go to the cinema hall, then so many sounds are coming after reflection, so echo is created. What is echo? The sound here heard after reflection from rigid obstacles such as cliff, a hillside, wall, building edge or forest is called echo. It can be written here for time and velocity and distance formula, that is T is equal to 2D upon V, because any sound goes and comes back. Then if we travel the D distance for forward direction and comes back in D direction, then therefore total distance is 2D. So we use here t is equal to total distance, that is 2d. If speed of sound is v, then t is equal to 2d upon v, and it can be calculated, and that comes here 17.2 meter. This implies that for hearing distinct echoes, the minimum distance of the obstacle from it is 17.